Hi, this is David from Smart World. We are showing you the App2car device, and we installed in a Kia Sportage 2019, and our customers have asked us if I'm using this device because it's gonna take over the Carplay, how can I make and receive Bluetooth calls? So one of the ways is, of course, you can use, in this device it has a Bluetooth phone where simply you pair your mobile Bluetooth with this device. Just click here. So this is already the pair with a mobile phone we have, and from here of course you can dial numbers, call records, contact persons. You can use this device that is already contacted with is connected via Bluetooth. So we're gonna make a phone call. Simply select one of the options and it's gonna start calling. Okay, very simple. And of course, if you receive a call, you can use your steering wheel controls to answer or cancel the call, same as before. So not a problem. So you can connect your mobile device with the App2car via Bluetooth and use it for incoming and make calls. If you have any more questions, please contact us on www.smartworldcompany.com. We have more information about this product. Remember, this product also can be used to watch videos from Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, install many apps from the Google Play Store. Thank you very much and hope to hear from you. Bye.